Remember the House of House kitchen? I can do this all day. Remember the House of House kitchen who sent us her premium seafood baked sushi, crab balls, and pork belly stick baked with crackling? Well, those were sold out nung Christmas and New Year, and right now, he is back for more premium dishes. What is up guys? Nanobabo kabayan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, I am super happy, I am super delighted because House of House Kitchen has sent us another premium dishes. And if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. So the first dish that they sent us is called beef with mushrooms and homemade black pepper sauce. In it, guys, it is a 10-hour slow-cooked sirloin beef with mushrooms, baby potatoes, and her homemade creamy black pepper sauce. It is cooked with Italian herbs and spices, and it is guaranteed super moist and tender. Wow, guys! Look at this! I'm so excited. So the next dish that they want us to try is called Premium Pad Thai with Jumbo Tiger Prawns. It has chicken, fresh shrimps, dried shrimps tofu, roasted peanuts, bean sprouts, chives, Thai-style egg omelette topped with edible flowers, and Jumbo Tiger Prawns. Wow, guys, aside from I'm gonna be eating flowers today, look at those huge tiger prawns! So the third dish is called roasted chicken with sofrito, paprika, chorizo, and mixed olives. So sofrito is a mixture of aromatic ingredients, either chopped or pureed. This chicken is marinated for 24 hours, baked slowly for 1 hour and 15 minutes to ensure the chicken is moist and tender. So this is it. Now, what they sent us are 4 cuts of chicken legs. You can also request parang a butterfly style chicken for this dish. And then lastly, this is called the larb mu or the Thai pork warm salad. Larb mu is a Thai dish and a meat salad. The minced pork is wonderfully seasoned with fish sauce, chili flakes, lemon juice, and wonderful assortment of fresh herbs to bring it all together. Alright, so for this one, you can actually have it your way. You can request it either, a soft, mild, or even super spicy. I mean, it's up to you guys. Have it your way. So guys, if you notice, yung mga dishes natin on our table are presented with edible flowers, real leaves, and herbs and spices. And as always, these premium dishes are great for birthday, small gatherings, an intimate family reunion, for any occasion. For prices and inquiries, we're gonna be flashing the fan page and tagging the page in which you're gonna be messaging. Alright, so this is the time for me to get my hands on these wonderful dishes and of course taste testing them. I'm gonna go first with the tiger prawns. This is really huge. Check that out, guys. This is huge. I mean, can you imagine, guys? Look at this. It's so big, it's so huge. So let me... What? Look at that. Grabe talaga si House of House. Always premium, everything premium. Wow. Let's go to the meat, guys. Ayan. It's really huge. Ooh. Oh wow. So, yun nga, on top of it, it has that roasted smoky flavor. Oh wow. This time I wanna try pad thai natin. Oh wow. So, you can have a variety of texture and flavor, no? Merong crunchy, merong malambot. Napaka-exciting na kainin ito. Wow. Last one for this plate. I'm gonna move on, guys. Sarap. So this time I'm gonna try this Typework Salad. Again, you have your ground pork, some edible flowers, purple cabbage, and cucumber. Yan, tingnan na natin guys. Oh yeah, right there and there, first impression, it is mildly spicy. Medyo maasim siya. It has, grabe, I can't mention kung ano yung mga herbs and spices nilang ginagamit dito, but as soon as it enters your mouth, it's gonna explode. You're gonna smell a lot aroma ng mga herbs. Whoa. Okay, next is this sirloin beef. Oh, look at that. Oh man, super tender, super lambot. Oh man, that is so heavenly. Oh man, super premium dish. It's not too salty. The beef is so tender, as in it almost melts inside your mouth. So last but definitely not the least, this is the chicken with sofrito. It has some black and white olives, you know, some lemon on top, plus of course some mga flowers. Black olives plus chorizo. Wow, super premium, man. So this is gonna be the last dish I'm gonna be tasting. Hinawakan ko na, and because I can't, you know, resist. I'm super tempted to, you know, get my hands on the dish. So tingnan na natin. Oh wow. What an amazing time with the House of House dishes. Grabe, super premium as always. With the first feature that we did for House of House, sobrang nag-enjoy kami doon, and we really miss the dishes. And right now, our wish has been granted. So thanks so much House of House for sending us your dishes. Again, I'm gonna be sharing this with my family para mas masayang bonding namin. But if you guys like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you check out House of House Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there, guys.